Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Would you like to create digital templates for an underserved planner/project manager/journal/habit tracker/app niche? Would you like to make them different using design elements available for free in the planner app itself? Would you like to make them unique using your own images, AI images, or public domain images? If the answer is yes to 1, 2, or all these questions, I have the answer, and it is not as hard as you think. There are several planner apps on the market. Many of them you can use on desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. I have found an app that not only can be used on any of the above, but also syncs between them. This is still not unique. What makes this app in a class of its own is you can design the templates plain or fancy in the app itself, as it has many assets. You can also add your own assets so that your designs are unique. Not only that, you can link and/or display a few templates together to make unique dashboards. There are 50,000 searches on Google each month in the US for templates for this app, so the market is huge, and best of all, you can create and sell your templates using the free version of the app. Hi, my name is Marianne Blake. I started creating digital planners over 4 years ago, and with D. Hoyser, I launched a course on basic digital planners. Since then, more apps have entered the market, and I have found one that is different as it can be used in so many ways, and you can do all the creation in the app itself. If you want, you can also add your own images, GIFs, and icons as well. No matter which software you use, there is a learning curve, and when you first see what this app can do, you may gulp, I know I did. To get you over this, I have done the experimenting so you don't have to. All you have to do is follow the videos, and you will create the templates quite easily. Notion is difficult to explain as it can do so many different things and can be simple, complex, or anything in between. It can be plain or decorative or fun or serious. You can create a plain template to sell, then create numerous versions with different audiences in mind and sell them as well. You can make them Northern American specific or Europe specific by choosing different date and time formats. The Notion website says this about it. Notion is a single space where you can think, write, and plan. Capture thoughts, manage projects, or even run an entire company, and do it exactly the way you want. It also says that they wanted Notion to provide a quiet space to think and have all the information you need to be there when you need it, and that it provides a single space for organizing everything that matters. It should offer a clean and open surface for thinking, writing, and planning, and is customizable so that it is what you want and not what they want. I am happy to announce my new course, Notion Template Wizardry. design, dashboards, and beyond. It has over 70 videos and takes you from creating simple templates to more complicated designs by using a few of the templates put together. It also shows you how to take a plain template and make it beautiful using images, icons, and GIFs. If you can follow instructions and can click a mouse, you can do this. What will you get with the course? Included in the course is over 70 bite-sized videos to guide you through the techniques. How to take a simple template and change it for another scenario. How to make 14 simple but versatile templates. How to take a few templates and join them together to make a new design. How to use the assets in Notion to enhance your design's appearance. How to use assets you have created to make your design unique. How to make habit trackers, income and expenditure templates, a student planner to name a few. Research on Google and Etsy to see what's in demand and what's available. How to link the template designs so they work together seamlessly. And much more. Grab your bundle today.